Hi, good morning, Tim. I'm just going to show you how we need to change the price of a product and also um, sort the products in order. So, so first we open the website uh, baseballexchange.us and we go to the admin panel using slash wp hyphen admin and press enter. So once you press enter, here you will see your own ID and password, Tim K and this one, and you start to and you click on login, and you click on login here. So once you log in, you you, you go to the dashboard, and in the dashboard on the left side you see something called products, and you click and you hover over products and click on all products. So once you click on that, you get a list of all our products, around 250 products, and from there you can see uh, you can see something called select by category. You click on that and select the category of products that you want to work on, like you want to work on baseballs, so you click on baseballs, you select baseballs and you click on filter. So now you get all the products that are listed under the baseball baseballs category. All these products, around 18 products, are listed under this category. And so let us see how we can change the price. So let us suppose this is the product that you want to change the price. You click on the product and the product page opens up. So this is the product page. Here you can edit anything about the product. Supposing you want to change the name of the product or something like that, or you want to add something in the description, anything like that. You can add anything here or change anything here. And remember to click this update button once you do the necessary changes. So to change the price, you come down, and when you see something like this that has different tabs like general, inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, so you see the price of the product here. This is the current price you see, and let us suppose you want to change this to 400, and I change it to 400, and and I yeah. So I change the price here, and I go back to the top and click on update, and the new price gets updated. This is how we change the product price. So currently this this product is under different categories like baseballs, like game baseballs, and Pro 9 baseballs, tournament baseballs. Uh, so let us suppose you want to remove this product from the tournament baseballs category. Simply you untick, so the product is removed from that category. And let us suppose you want to add this uh, to uh, to to some category like Techzilla. you simply check it. Keep it there. So once so after that you go to yeah. so once you do that change, then you simply go and click on update, and your changes gets updated. And so now we go back to all products. So now let us see how we can change the order of products. So once you click on all products, and let us suppose you want to change the order of products, or you want to sort products in the base balls category. So you do the same thing. You come back to all products by clicking on it, and you see the screen, and you select the category called base balls, and you click on filter, and you see the list of baseballs in this category. And so now you can see something like all published drafts, stone content, and sorting. Now you click on sorting. So once you click on sorting, now, and so now you need to come down to the place where the empty space basically, and simply click on the product and drag it down, and the product comes down. And let us suppose you want to bring this product LVL1LL below the baseball buckets. So you simply click on it and drag it down, and there you see the product's order has been changed. Or let us suppose you want to put this baseball wine bucket up. You want to do this. Simply you need to do that. So that way you can change the order of products, order in which they appear. So and once you do that, you can simply say apply. I think it's not that. Yeah, I think by simply sorting it is enough. So now if you can check if your changes have been applied by going back to base balls and clicking on filter. See, you can see the changes have been applied in the order in which we wanted. We have it. So this is how we change the order of products in a category, and also change the pricing or any such details of a product. Thank you.